If someone told you the most reliable electric car in America right now is a Tesla, you would probably laugh. Teslas are famous for panel gaps, weird build quality, and expensive repairs. But according to Consumer Reports, two specific Tesla models just earned the highest reliability scores of any electric vehicle on sale. And the craziest part? One of them costs less than $37,000. We are starting with the budget tier because honestly, some of the best Tesla deals in 2026 are sitting on used car lots right now. Number 1. From 2019 to 2020, the Model 3. This is the sweet spot for anyone who wants into a Tesla without draining their bank account. By 2019, the Model 3 production nightmare was completely over. The assembly line at the Fremont factory in California had finally hit its stride, and these cars came together way cleaner than anything from 2017 or 2018. You can grab one of these on the used market from $15,000 to $28,000, depending on trim and mileage. And the battery packs underneath these Model 3s are holding up beautifully. Most of them still have 85 to 90% capacity, even past 150,000 miles. The 8-year battery warranty on these is still active for a lot of units out there. Now here is what to budget for. The suspension control arms wear faster on Teslas because of the heavy battery pack under the floor. Plan on about $1,200 for control arm replacement around 95,000 miles. Also, pop the frunk on one of these Model 3s, and you will find an old-school lead-acid 12-volt battery that dies every 3 to 5 years. You can swap that yourself for about $85 to $200, which is way cheaper than paying Tesla Mobile Service to do it. But this next pick might surprise you, because it costs about the same and gets you a full-size Tesla Model S luxury sedan. Number 2. A late 2018 Model S with MCU2. This is the hidden gem of the used Tesla market right now, and the key word here is late 2018. Specifically, you want one built after March of 2018. That is when Tesla switched from the first generation to the second generation dashboard computer. Every Model S built before that March deadline has a ticking time bomb inside the infotainment system. It is an 8-gigabyte flash memory chip that slowly writes itself to death from constant data logging. That failure affected over 300,000 vehicles and triggered a federal recall. But a Model S built after March of 2018 dodges that problem entirely with a larger 64-gigabyte chip. Many of these also came with free, unlimited supercharging that transfers to the next owner. At $20,000 to $35,000, you are getting a full-size luxury sedan for used Corolla money. The catches: budget for door handle replacements at $250 to $500 per handle. Those flush mount handles on the Model S are notorious for failing. The air suspension system can cost $1,500 to over $6,000 if a strut or compressor goes bad. But if you go in with your eyes open, this is an absurd amount of car for the price. Now let us move into the mid-range tier of the Tesla lineup, where the reliability data gets really interesting. Number 3. The 2021 to 2023 Model 3. What makes this generation special comes down to one word: LFP, lithium iron phosphate. Starting in late 2021, Tesla began putting lithium iron phosphate batteries from CATL into the standard range Model 3, built at the Shanghai factory. This was a massive upgrade for long-term durability. LFP chemistry handles 3,000 to 5,000 plus charge cycles compared to about 1,000 to 2,000 for the older NCA packs. And you can charge an LFP battery to 100% every single day without hurting it. Quick tip for identifying which battery your Tesla has: pull up the charge screen. If you see a clean bar from 0 to 100 with no markers, that is LFP. If you see separate daily and trip charge limits, that is the older NCA chemistry. By 2023, the Model 3 earned an average reliability rating from Consumer Reports, which was actually the highest score any pre-refresh Model 3 ever received. The early horror stories about phantom braking and AC compressor failures had mostly been fixed through hardware changes and over-the-air software updates. Used prices sit between $15,000 and $32,000, which makes this a killer deal. But the next Model Y on our list is the car that completely changed Tesla's reliability reputation. Number 4, the 2023 to 2024 Model Y, the pre-Juniper model. 2023 was the breakthrough year. Consumer Reports rated the Model Y as more reliable than other cars from the same model year, which was a complete 180 from the 2021 Model Y that had over 1,000 reported problems and 21 recalls. A survey in the United Kingdom found that only 4% of 2023 Model Y examples had any faults at all. 75% of those were fixed the same day at the service center. With the new Juniper Model Y now in showrooms, dealers were slashing prices on these pre-refresh units throughout 2025. Used examples are going for $25,000 to $51,000, which means you can grab a Consumer Reports certified reliable electric vehicle for serious savings compared to a brand new one. One thing to watch for on all of these is the trunk seal around the hatchback lid. Water leaks into the cargo area are the most common complaint, caused by poor sealing where the metal seams overlap. It is an easy fix if you catch it early, but annoying if you do not. Number 5, the 2019 to 2020 Model S Raven. The Raven update landed in mid-2019, and it was the last major improvement before the full 2021 redesign. Tesla dropped in a more efficient permanent magnet front motor, added adaptive air suspension across the lineup, and pushed the range to 402 miles on the 2020 Long Range Plus. That was the first electric vehicle in history to crack 400 miles on a single charge. What I love about the Raven for used buyers is that it still has a normal steering wheel with a physical turn signal stalk and real buttons. No yoke controversy, no touchscreen gear selector drama. The interior feels like a proper luxury car from that era. At $20,000 to $45,000, you are getting genuine luxury sedan performance with none of the first-year refresh headaches that plagued the 2021 models. Same catches apply as the 2018 Model S. Air suspension and door handles are your long-term cost risks, but mechanically, the Raven drivetrain is solid. Now we are stepping onto the Tesla showroom floor for the new car tier, and this is where reliability gets genuinely impressive. Number 6, the 2024 to 2025 Model 3 Highland. This car earned the Edmunds Top-Rated Electric Car Award, and Consumer Reports named it the most reliable electric car in the sedan category. Every single Highland Model 3 sold anywhere in the world is built at the Shanghai Gigafactory. That factory consistently produces the tightest panel gaps, the cleanest paint, and the fewest delivery day issues of any Tesla plant on the planet. Owners on the Tesla Motors Club forum, who have owned both older Fremont-built cars and a new Shanghai Highland, describe the difference as night and day. The sound deadening is dramatically improved, the ride is softer, and the interior materials feel premium. Tesla even brought back the turn signal stock in late 2025 production after owners complained about the steering wheel buttons. Starting at $36,990 for the standard rear-wheel drive, this is the most affordable way to get a brand new Tesla with top-tier reliability data behind it. If you are finding this helpful, hit subscribe. We cover Tesla maintenance tips and reliability breakdowns every single week, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. But the next car on this list, the Model Y Juniper, might be the best Tesla ever made. and the data backs that up. Number 7. The 2025 to 2026 Model Y Juniper. Consumer Reports called this the most reliable electric vehicle overall in their 2026 survey. That single rating is what pushed Tesla from the bottom of the rankings all the way up to 9th place out of 26 car brands. That is a massive jump in just 2 years. The Juniper is not just a facelift. Tesla replaced roughly 70 rear underbody parts with a single massive casting from the Giga Press. Road vibration dropped 51%. Wind noise decreased 20%. Overall cabin noise improved 22% compared to the outgoing Model Y. The body structure is stiffer, the doors seal better, and early owners are reporting near-zero delivery day issues, which is almost unheard of for a brand new Tesla launch. Starting at $41,630 for the base model, the Juniper represents the safest new Tesla purchase you can make right now. One owner ran a 100-point delivery inspection at 2,000 miles and found perfect panel alignment and only needed a minor frunk adjustment. That is a different universe from where Tesla was even 3 years ago. Now let us talk about the premium tier, starting with the Model S Plaid. These come with bigger price tags and bigger downsides. Number 8. The 2022 to 2023 Model S Plaid. 1,020 horsepower from 3 electric motors, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. And by 2022, Tesla had worked through most of the first-year bugs from the 2021 launch. The round steering wheel option returned in 2023, eliminating the controversial yoke that frustrated a lot of early adopters. The 17-inch center screen, 12.3-inch instrument cluster, and MCU3 computer system are all proven and stable at this point. But here is the critical context. Tesla announced in January 2026 that the Model S and Model X are both being discontinued. The Fremont production lines are being converted for Optimus robot manufacturing. Tesla promises parts and service support indefinitely for existing owners, but long-term parts availability is a legitimate question mark. Use 2022 to 2023 Model S Plaid examples are going for $40,000 to $75,000. At that price, you are getting supercar performance from a proven generation, but buying into a platform that is reaching end of life. Number 9. The 2022 to 2024 Model X refresh. The Model X has never been a reliability champion, and I'm going to be honest with you about why. Those falcon wing doors look incredible. They are an engineering marvel, but even Elon Musk admitted they were probably a mistake from a reliability standpoint. Forum posts document everything from doors refusing to close on delivery day to children getting temporarily trapped when both rear doors would not open. That said, some owners report years of perfectly smooth operation. A 2017 owner logged over 80,000 miles with 0 door issues. The experience varies from vehicle to vehicle, which makes the Model X a gamble that the other Teslas on this list are not. Consumer Reports rates the 2024 Model X as less reliable than other cars from the same model year, and the 2022 model has been recalled 21 times. Used refresh examples run $50,000 to over $100,000. If you love the falcon wing doors and accept the risk, the 2023 to 2024 models are the best the Model X has ever been. Just know what you are signing up for. Number 10. The 2025 and newer Cybertruck. Let me be straight with you. The Cybertruck is not a reliability buy, not yet. With 8 or more recalls in its first 17 months, including stuck accelerator pedals, windshield wiper motor failures, and stainless steel body panels literally detaching at highway speed. This is still a first-generation product working through growing pains. But 2025 production units are showing real improvement over the 2024 builds. Tesla made casting changes in April of 2025 for better manufacturing consistency, and the newly announced standard all-wheel drive model at $59,990 finally makes the Cybertruck accessible to more buyers. It earned a top safety rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, so the bones of this truck are solid. Consumer Reports gives it a reliability score of just 31 out of 100, the lowest of any current Tesla. The 48-volt electrical system and steer-by-wire technology are brand new with limited long-term data. If you are an early adopter who loves the cutting edge and you have the budget for unexpected service visits, the Cybertruck is getting better every quarter. But if reliability is your top priority, give it another year or two. So here's the big takeaway. The newest Teslas, especially the Juniper Model Y and Highland Model 3, are legitimately among the most reliable electric vehicles on sale anywhere. Consumer Reports and owner forums back that up. For used buyers, stick with 2021 and newer Model 3 or 2023 and newer Model Y for the safest bets. And always check your VIN before buying used. A 5 at the start means Fremont built, 7 means Austin, the letter L means Shanghai, and the letter W means Berlin. Shanghai and Berlin consistently produce the best builds. If you want to know the 10 costliest Tesla repairs and how to avoid every single one of them, that video is on your screen right now.